What was school like for you growing up? Did it feel like meaningful work, or were you just getting through it? Did you feel seen and supported by a school community that really knew what you needed? Were you excited to go, or mostly just excited to leave? Now think about your kids. Do you want something more for them? What if that more already existed?
A microschool is a small school with a big heart. It's a place where learning feels like it matters, where a handful of kids, 10 to 15 kids, might gather each day with a caring teacher who knows them and cares about them deeply. There are no crowded hallways, no one-size-fits-all lessons, but real connection, real autonomy, the joy of learning and discovering new things, and the freedom as a child to grow in your own way. Microschools are schools the way they ought to be.
We have 3 to 4 hours of academics and then 3 to 4 hours of targeted and intentional social time and group free time, as well as enrichment. So we balance out the day with the learning that kids are wanting to do and desire to do with the learning that they may have to do.
If parents are like us, we were so nervous. We didn't have the skills, to make sure that they were on the right path with their education. But you're not alone when you do KaiPod, especially. You have the teacher's support and the whole entire team working with your child.
From the moment kids walk in the door, they have more influence and more autonomy than they would in a traditional classroom. We recognize that kids understand their needs, and we want them to be responsible drivers of their day and their education.
We are really excited to support hundreds of educators across the country to open microschools in their own community. We believe that the next transformation in education will come from inspired and entrepreneurial educators saying, I can create a school to serve the kids in my community better than they've ever been served.
I kept seeing the same things over and over, where standardized testing was more important than the individual, and where students with special needs just were not being served appropriately. So I decided that I needed to make a bigger impact and that it was possible.
This microschool is my way to impact education and invite families to unthink schooling and rethink learning.
We are taking everything we learned from opening our own microschools and converting it into a playbook that can cut the time that a founder needs to open their school by 90%. And our hope is through that, more people will take that leap to start their own school so that over time, more schools exist and more kids find a school that they can love. Microschools take the best of in-person instruction and the social friendships and the relationships that are formed and bring it into a small group environment where kids and families know each other, the educators get to know them as individuals and stay with them through multiple years. And that creates a sense of ownership and engagement for kids that no other school model has.
Here's all these parents, all of our backgrounds being different. Here we all are coming together, and we all want the best thing for our kids is to thrive and to be doing what's right for them.
If your child isn't developing a love of learning, then listen to that voice. Almost 80% of the kids in our network say they love coming to KaiPod. And so it is absolutely possible for your kid to love to go to school and to develop a lifelong love of learning.
At KaiPod, we make learning personal. We connect families with microschools where kids love learning. We partner with passionate educators to create their dream schools, investing in themselves and their communities. Find a learning environment where your kids can discover the joy of learning, or if you're an educator, start your own by visiting KaiPodLearning.com.